babe.
Yo, babe.
Ask me why I have this bag.
Why do you have that bag?
Because I'm a professional photographer. Do you know how this happens? You see that X? It's because the diamond's too big. Buy her a smaller diamond, then she won't scratch your car up. Oh, wait, your favorite place?
It's the happiest place on earth. I love Home.
So you think they're going to have the new Milwaukee stuff? It's very deceiving because the old Milwaukee looks like the new Milwaukee, and people see that there's new Milwaukee and they come in here and they don't realize that they're buying the old Milwaukee. This ain't the new shit. Remember when I said I need a new smaller mower? You think this will fit in the back of the 4Runner? Think you can lift it in there? I'm really trying to like this battery power lawn equipment, and it just doesn't, it's not, there's always some shit, but then again, the gas one wouldn't start yesterday either. It's ethanol.
Oh. It's giant.
My mower's bigger than that one.
Yeah.
Like this one. This fucking thing. Okay, what's this do? This is go and this is brake?
That would be my assumption.
Holy shit, it's small. Yeah, we would have that broken. By accident, we would have that broken. Do you guys like it when I spin the camera around like that? It's my little camera move.
Dreamweaver.
She's a babe.
Hurry up, meow. Good thing your legs reach the ground.
Yeah.
Walmart already has Christmas shit out. What are you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna sit in it.
You don't sit on any couches?
Because I don't like the couches.
You don't even...
I don't like them.
You're crazy.
Walk straight that way.
A lot of nerds in here.
Yeah.
I would like a tiger.
Meow.
What section do you think the nipple clamps are in?
Probably with all the other clamps. Maybe like some extreme nipple clamps.
She's gonna be so excited. I just need these. 7, I think 8 will do. You want to try one on? I meant on yours. You want a circular saw?
No.
What are you really looking for?
A stand.
There was a dude actually did a head-to-head review on some higher-end, more expensive stuff and the Harbor Freight stuff, and the Harbor Freight tested out pretty good.